Kaya na lang ko usab ani mga langging kay naay ka ng interruption pa sa tuang videos kay na amagoy mga pasyente nga tawag mo ani mo na. So sorry kayo. So but now we're gonna discuss this afternoon. Good afternoon to all of us, and I'm going to discuss chemistry versus compatibility. So which do you prefer mga palangga? Chemistry or compatibility? But before that, let's ask ato sang tukion o ato sang define ug unsa nang compatibility o chemistry. Maingon gani tag compatible ta kanang chemistry. Okay, chemistry. Let's go for chemistry. When we say chemistry, it's kung ano siya, kilig ba, kanang na kilig moment, mo na siya ang chemistry. Na siyang there's it refers to intense emotional and physical attraction between two individuals. Mo na siya, if you are emotionally and physically attracted, mo na murag ay kiligon ka, and then it is temporary mapalangga, no? So that kind of relationship, if you have that good chemistry with each other, that is what do you call that? That is temporary, no? Temporary lang siya. Mao na nga there's no kanang mawa na gani ang imong pagka-passionate and excitement with each other, mawala na gani na siya. So wala na siya mga palangga, mawagtang na siya, no? It will not, while compatibility mga palangga, kuan na siya, you share, mag-share mo for everything, kanang you are compatible with everything, you know, having similar personalities, your values, ang inyong similar personalities, values, lifestyle, long-term goals. It is permanent and forms a strong foundation for relationships. So mao na siya ang compatibility. So if you notice that there are some couples that it ended with at first the chemistry between the two is so strong because they were physically attracted, emotionally and physically attracted. Once everything is gone, no more, wala na, nawagtang. So it ended. That's why it ends with separation, divorce. So in ana siya. So if you are compatible with each other, you shared everything. There's a mutual respect, you know, and basta naanatanan, it conquers. That's just like a love that conquers all, that everything, the being you have your heart is big, you know. So both of you can accept and understand each other, you know, because you have the same, or you have similarities. Your personalities are similar, na may pagkapareho mo, may similarity mo sa inyong personalities, sa inyong values, sa inyong lifestyles, everything. Mao na siya nga magkasinabot mo. Because you are compatible with each other. That mao na nga mo last na siya long, because that is permanent. That there's a form of a strong foundation relationship when it is compatible with each other. So, well, which do you prefer? And make a comment, please, and best comment di ba? Mag-best comment sa tanan na itong mga videos, no? Madili lang kumusulti unsa asa dapita ug unsa nga mga videos ang akong kuan, basta ka naghinay-hinay na kog hinguto tungod kay it's our anniversary ni mga palangka. Anniversary na nato, but I will not celebrate for that now, but dagko ang akong mga panghatag nga premyo nga umaabot unya. But for now, I'm so busy, and I hope you understand with that, and I'm sorry nga dili pa kay ko maka-visit ninyo. Basta naara jud ko sa kanunay panapang. Bitaw, I'm just here to support you guys. And thank you so much for your support also. For your undying support. And for my number one fan, thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much for everything. Um, yeah, I'm really like, it's really different, my life right now. It's a big miracle that happened to me, that I was very like, na ako'y mga, nawagtang na yung mga kuan ako pa. Yan, grabe ako, anxiety. It lessened because of him, and I'm grateful for that. Everything, mga kuan, dakan natabang sa ko ang mga langga. No matter gud ining kuan, having kuan ba kanang nakay lalabs nga very understanding, very supportive. Basta nasa kanya na ang lahat. And I'm grateful for that. And you guys, thank you also for your support. And mauna lang to, or don't forget to like, share, and those of you that were not able to subscribe to our channel, we have two channels. Remember, we have the Canry Mix Vlog and the Rivers Vlog USA, and ato mga Facebook page, and our o sa ato Instagram, please follow sa ato ang kuano, sa ato mga social media diha. Hello, ano na? Okay, bye for now.